Now we're back to CapCut. Let me show you how you can create a fuzzy glitch transition. We'll put the two clips right here that we use. By default you get a simple jump cut, but let me make this a bit shorter using the split tool. We don't need such a long clip, I'll make it even shorter, but that should be fine. So here's simple jump cut, but let me inverse the order, so I'll put this at the end. To add the glitch, we'll go to Effects, and by the way I used the default layout, and then you can find Effects right here. Open a drop down for Video Effects, category Glitch, and then you should find the fuzzy, download it, click on the plus sign. By default, this is what it looks like. Position it to a place where you can see the glitch, so use the arrow keys to the right, and here we see it. It's active in the timeline and I can adjust it. The chromatic aberration is simply for this offset effect that creates the glitch. Strength intensifies it and speed makes it flicker faster or slower. Let me go to an extreme example like this. Once that is done, find a good position. So you don't want to have it too long. Usually you just want to have one or two of these glitch sequences. And you want to place it so that it's primarily on the first clip. That's usually how these glitch transitions work. So the first clip glitches out, and maybe there's a little bit of an echo of this effect in the second one, but this would be the traditional way to create that. I hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.